मुझे एक समस्या थी। आई हैड अ प्रॉब्लम। आई हैड अ प्रॉब्लम। तुम्हें क्या समस्या थी? What problem did you have? What problem did you have? मुझे कोई समस्या नहीं थी। I had no problem. I had no problem. हमारे पास समय नहीं था। We had no time. We had no time. उनके पास कोई चॉइस नहीं थी। They had no choice. They had no choice. उनके पास मेरी कार थी। They had my car. They had my car. क्या तुम्हारे पास मेरी चाबियाँ थीं? Did you have my keys? Did you have my keys? स्कूल में तुम्हारे पास किताब क्यों नहीं थी? Why did you not have the book in school? Why did you not have the book in school? उसके काले घुंघराले बाल थे। She had black curly hair. She had black curly hair. उसकी जेब में क्या था? What did he have in his pocket? What did he have in his pocket? तुम्हारी मीटिंग कब थी? When did you have meeting? When did you have meeting? तुम्हारे पास इतना धैर्य कैसे था? How did you have so much patience? How did you have so much patience? उसके पास कारण था। He had reason. He had a reason. उसके पास कोई कारण नहीं था। He had no reason. He had no reason. उसके पास सेब से भरा टोकरा था। She had a basket full of apples. She had a basket full of apples. उसे कोई कठिनाई नहीं थी। She had no difficulty. She had no difficulty. हमारे पास काफ़ी समय था। We had plenty of time. We had plenty of time. मुझे उस बारे में कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं था। I had no idea about that. I had no idea about that. दिल्ली में मेरे बहुत से दोस्त थे। In Delhi I had many friends. In Delhi I had many friends. हमारे पास थोड़ा सा पानी था। We had a little water. We had a little water. उसके सिर दर्द था। He had a headache. He had a headache. उस समय मेरे पिताजी के पास 10,000 रुपये ही थे। At that time my father had 10,000 rupees only. At that time my father had 10,000 rupees only. उसके चेहरे पर मुस्कान थी। She had a smile on her face. She had a smile on her face. क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ भी नहीं था? Did you have nothing? Did you have nothing? मेरी अपनी समस्याएं थी। I had my own problems. I had my own problems. मेरी अपनी कार थी। I had my own car. I had my own car. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था खाने के लिए। I had nothing to eat. I had nothing to eat. हमारे पास कुछ नहीं था छुपाने के लिए। We had nothing to hide. We had nothing to hide. क्या उन्हें कोई आपत्ति थी? Did they have any objection? Did they have any objection? नहीं, उन्हें कोई आपत्ति नहीं थी। No, they did not have any objection. They did not have any objection. मेरे पास बहुत काम था करने के लिए। I had a lot of work to do. I had a lot of work to do. क्या तुम्हारे पास मोबाइल नहीं था मुझे फ़ोन करने के लिए? Did you not have mobile to call me? Did you not have mobile to call me? तुम्हारे पास क्या था करने के लिए? What did you have to do? What did you have to do? मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था करने के लिए। I had nothing to do. I had nothing to do. सबके पास कुछ न कुछ था। Everyone had something or the other. Everyone had something or the other. मेरे पास पढ़ने के लिए कोई किताब नहीं थी। I had no book to read. I had no book to read. उसके पास कोई दूसरा विकल्प नहीं था। He had no other option. He had no other option. क्या तुम्हारे पास कोई दूसरा विकल्प था? Did you have any other option? Did you have any other option? उसके पास कोई नौकरी नहीं थी। He had no job. He had no job. उसके घर में कोई कुत्ता नहीं था। He had no dog in his house. He had no dog in his house. किसान के पास 2 बैल थे। The farmer had 2 bullocks. The farmer had 2 bullocks. उसकी नीली आँखें थीं। She had blue eyes. She had blue eyes. वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया लाइक करें, इसको शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि आपको आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको टाइम पे मिल जाएं।